Guys, it's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for patiently waiting on another video. So today, guys, we are in our vacation home for spring break, and I am going to clean it up a little bit before we actually get settled in. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I am going to be vlogging our trip, so check out my vlog channel if you would like to see like our whole stay.
翻越了山川和海洋的交界，你辉映在皎白的月光下。前行的使者为我摘下暗角的花朵，筑成一碗浓郁惆怅。沿着你流落的脚印，迟钝地走进那个没有退路的地方。嘿，小心在我脚外凌乱不堪的小寨，表面最本分的人，内心是那样的留白。我已想好踩上你的当，圆一个本就不存在的谎。旋转的裙摆和缤纷的糖果铺洒在红丝绒交织的床。你说你从陆地那端而来，留下了铠甲和城市楼台，追求着生生不泯灭的爱，总是眼前的一切都是个意外，从前再到后来。手拂过肩的头发，暂停了冰里的流沙。手掌翻越了山川和海洋的交界，你辉映在皎白的月光下。
So I'm finally done cleaning, and it is really beautiful in here. So I do want to just give you guys like a full like B-roll tour so that you can see it, just in case you guys didn't get like full clips of me just cleaning it. It is very clean in here already, but I just like to do my own little sanitizing just for me to feel comfortable. And I did bring some pillowcases. I'm gonna change out my pillowcases when I get ready to go to bed as well. But other than that, I think it is nice. So let me show you guys.
你说你从陆地那等而来，留下了铠甲和城市楼台，追求着生生不泯灭的爱，总是眼前